Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Clausing 5914 lathe. It is variable speed. It has a 1 3/8 hole through the spindle. Quick change gearbox. It goes from 4 to 224 threads per inch. Forward and reverse for the feed. Back gear and direct drive. It has a L00 spindle. Bernard 3-jaw self-centering chuck. Wedge type quick change tool post. Compound's in pretty nice condition. Shop made steady rest with ball bearings. Tailstock has a Morse taper 3. Also comes with a lantern tool post, drive plate, and the holders for the quick change. Flame hardened ways. Storage compartment. Half nuts. Power cross feed. Power longitudinal feed. There's the thread dial. Put it in back gear now. Thanks for looking.